Hello everyone, and welcome to our Imaginations Creations program. In this program, we will be creating a beaded bracelet using the daisy chain beading style. The colors of beads that we have chosen are inspired by the sunflower. To make a sunflower-inspired bracelet, you will need the following materials: plastic craft beads in yellow, black, and green, string, scissors, a small piece of tape. First, we need to measure our string. To do this, you want to measure the string from the end of your middle finger to your shoulder and cut. Caregivers, if you have a young child, you may want to assist them with measuring and cutting the string. Now, take a small piece of tape and wrap it around one end of your string. This will help your string go through the hole of the beads. Now, let's lay out the beads. The yellow beads will be your sunflower's petals. The black beads will be for the sunflower center, and the green beads will be for the stems, or spacers, to separate each sunflower. To begin, you will need to tie one end of your string to one of the spacer beads using a double knot. Make sure to leave a tail of about 1 inch of string at the end so you can tie your bracelet together. To lay out the pattern of the sunflower petal, you will need 6 petal beads and 1 center bead. The pattern will go like this: 1 petal, 1 center, and 3 petals. Place that on your string. Now, you're going to sew back through the first petal bead from the inside to the outside. Ignore the spacer bead that you tied on with the double knot. You won't need that until you're ready to tie your bracelet together. Complete your circle by adding 2 petal beads and sewing back through the 4th petal bead. You will need to sew it from the inside of the petal bead to the outside. It will then make a complete circle. Take a look. Did you create a flower design? Great! Now let's add 2 spacer beads. You have now completed 1 flower design. We will continue to repeat the pattern for the next flower until you have enough flowers to wrap around your wrist to make a bracelet. Petal bead, spacer bead, petal bead, petal bead, petal bead. Bring the end of your string through the first petal bead from the inside out. Add 2 petal beads and complete your circle by going through that 4th petal bead. Now add 2 spacer beads, and you have completed your second flower. For the last flower, you will only place 1 spacer bead. Now, connect the end of your string to the first spacer bead you placed on your string at the other end. Tie the ends of the string together into a double knot. Now you have a beaded bracelet. If you want to create another bracelet using different colors, you just pick new colors for the petal, center, and stem. Thank you for joining our Imaginations Creations craft program. To learn more about American Indian cultures or to search the museum's collection for other types of beadwork, visit americanindian.si.edu.